PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange on the Binance Smart Chain, allowing users to trade, provide liquidity, and participate in various DeFi activities. You can use Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, in conjunction with PancakeSwap to access a wide range of tokens and blockchain services. Create a Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, visit Binance and create one by following the registration steps. Ensure your account is verified. Withdraw BNB to wallet. Once your Binance account is set up, deposit BNB into your Binance wallet. You can buy BNB directly or transfer it from another wallet. Transfer BNB to MetaMask. To use PancakeSwap, you need a Binance Smart Chain compatible wallet such as MetaMask. Transfer your BNB from Binance to MetaMask. Copy your MetaMask wallet address. Go to Binance, select Withdraw, choose BNB and enter your MetaMask wallet address. Add Binance Smart Chain Network to MetaMask. Open MetaMask, go to Settings and select Networks. Add a new network with the following details. Connect MetaMask to PancakeSwap. Visit PancakeSwap, click Connect Wallet and choose MetaMask. Trade and provide liquidity. After connecting, you can swap tokens, stake liquidity, and farm rewards directly using your Binance funds through PancakeSwap.